Milo's crying after his lunch. Harley's crashed. This is Penny on her back. Gus is laying over under the boards. This is Abby. No, I'm mistaken, that's Annie. And this is Abby, the little Try girl. No, this is Winnie here. And this is Abby after lunch. And this is Milo. Oh. This is Penny.